Here are some ideas for creating beautiful seating area in the garden your gazebo. Consider contemporary seat options like cushion chairs, built-in benches with colors, spoilers, or swings. Choose materials that can withstand outdoor conditions. Craft potted plants, hanging baskets, climbing vines around the gazebo and add natural beauty. If you are new here, kindly subscribe our channel and press the bell icon and also like this video. If you like these ideas, like the video and click the subscribers button for latest interested videos. And this video also share to your friends. String lights, lanterns or solar powered poles and add ambience to a space marking inviting during the evenings. Here are some ideas to certainly creating an enhanced garden backyard gazebo. Surrounding the gazebo with a lush greenery, flowering plants, bushes, and trees to create a beautiful garden oasis. Consider adding a mix annuals for a variety of colors and textures through the seasons. Creating pathways leading to gazebo using stones, bricks, or gravel to add charm and quiet visitors through your garden. Design a different seating zones around the gazebo using benches, chairs, or even hammocks to encourage relaxation and enjoyment of various views in the garden. We use a gazebo not only as seating area but also as not outdoor dining space, a spot for you, a mediation, or even as home office surrounding by nature. In a craft vertical garden or trail lies around a gazebo for climbing plants like rose or vineyards, adding visually interested a touch of fishme. Like the video, click the subscribe and press the bell icon. Install ambient lighting such as hanging lanterns, fairy lights of solar powered garden lights to create a magical atmosphere during evenings and nights. Introduce a small pond fountain or bird bath near the gazebo, attract wildlife, and add a scenery climbing effect of space. Consider adding an outdoor surrounding system of fire pit for outdoor movie screening. Area adjustment to gazebo internet and entertainment purpose. Capturing certain shades and pre-goals around the gazebo for privacy and protection from the sun, making the space more comfortable and intimate. Display outdoor sculptures, wind chimes, artist elements that complement the garden theme and add character and the space. By combining these elements, you can create a stunning and functional garden backyard centered around the gazebo, providing a relaxation